directly to the production machine, which means it doesn't need to involve. Hi guys, this is Shella from PA Kitchen. So today we are going to give you a factory tour about how we manage our production and how we start to produce quality products for you. I believe most of you guys, maybe you want a kitchen cabinet for your own house or for your project. So let me give you a brief introduction about our company first. PA Kitchen is a local brand. We are a leading manufacturer of kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and vanities for 12 years since 2008. Our products include kitchen cabinets, wardrobes, and bathroom cabinets. You can see in our later factory tour, you will see we use advanced Germany machines, and our raw materials are from top suppliers in the world. So for those who wants to build a house, build the perfect and their dream kitchen, we can provide it for you. And for the traders, we can also give you no after sale problem products to serve better for your customers. So now let's begin our factory tour and hope you will get something new today. Let's go and take a look. Okay, starting from here, you will see on the right hand side, it's our office building, and on the right hand side, it's our factory, our production line. So later inside, the production line will be a little bit noisy. Hope you can hear it clearly, okay? So now let's follow me and take a look. So here we come to our production line. Before we step inside, I would like to let you know some important things about our management line. So for custom made cabinets products, the easiest problem we have will be many missing pieces or wrong measurements. However, to avoid this problem, our factory has invented 5 million Chinese yuan on an IDPI system to avoid this error. So how this system works is that when you can see in every process that we will have a QR code on every panel. So this QR code has stored all the design data. So for this IDPI system, it will link the design data directly to the production machine, which means it doesn't need to involve the human to participate in every process to analyze the data. No need. All the data will be transferred from the designer to the machines directly, which will lower the error rate of 5% to 1% to 1%. So now let me take a look at the factory and see how we work this out for you. Let's go. Take a look. Okay, so we are standing in front of the cutting area. For the cutting area, the monthly production is we can cut over 10,000 sets per month. And the machines we use are Germany Advanced Machine Homag. This brand can lower the minute size to zero point 0.1 millimeter. So it means that the panel we cut is very smooth and very precise. So later I will go and check how our IDPI system works. Let's take a look. So you can see our workers has put the label on each panel. So once the panel is put inside into the machine will work automatically by itself. Usually in the old days, the workers have to input all the data and analyze in the office before the data transfer into the machines. But nowadays, the workers no need to think about how to cut the panel, how big to cut the panel. They just need to put the panel into the machines and then the machine can work by itself. You can take a look. Okay, so we will see how it comes after cutting it. So this is one of the panel that is cut after this process. You can see the edge is very smooth, no biting, no biting. It's very smooth and nicely cut. Besides, the size error will be less than 0.001 millimeter. With a good starting of cutting later in edge banding, it will provide a very good foundation for the next process. Okay, so here we are in edge banding area. For edge banding, our machines can process 100 pieces per hour. And for PA Kitchen, our standard is 4 sides edge banding. So you can take a look at our machines. The machine we use is Chinese top brand along with Germany advanced machines together. And you can see the the workers just need to put all the panels inside the machines and the machine can work by itself. Now we can take a closer look. For example, like this panel, we will have 4 edges banded. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now they already have 3 sides edge banded. Now we will have the last side with the edge banding. You can come and take a look. So IDPI system will be go through all of our production process like this QR code. The workers will need to scan the QR code and the machines can work by itself. You can take a look how it works. Let's go to take a look at our edge banding. For For the edge bending, you will see that for doors and outside part, like this part, outside part, and the door edges, we will use 1.2 millimeter thick edge bending, like this one. You can come closer and take a look. Like this one is thick, it's very thick, not the thin one. And the reason why we make this thick is because we want it to be more durable. Because for doors, you need to open and close for many times during your daily use. So the reason why we put this thick edges is that it can be durable. It can stand long last time closing and opening. So for car case, we will use 0.6 millimeter thick, like the thinner one. This is the thinner one we use. So the reason why we use a thinner one edges is that we need to make the car case more seamlessly. So now we will take a look. We'll take a look at our factory to take a general look. I will show you from the beginning. Just now we come from that side. That side is our cutting area and is also our door gate. You will see we have among 10 production line. You can take from the opening and the right hand side. This year we have added a few machines. You can see the green color one. Those are our newly added machines. So just now what I have shown you is the edge bending area. So you can check that we actually have different kinds of edge bending color. I will go and take a closer look for you. So for those, no matter you are looking at for your house, for your own house or for your clients, you will get the right and satisfying products in PA Kitchen. So now let's take a look at our edge bending. So these are the edge bending we use for melamine. You can see there are different colors. And we also have the white color. We will go to take a closer look at what glue we use. So have you seen this brand, Jowa? Jowa is a Germany brand. For this type of glue, the best advantage that it's eco-friendly. It doesn't have much formaldehyde emission, so it's very eco-friendly. Besides, it has the best character is that it can only melt under the temperature of 170 degrees, which means it only melts in this edge bending machines, but it will not melt in your house. So I think the best advantage of having the good glue is that it can stay on for the edges, for the four sides. Now you can see in the market there are some low quality products that the edges may peel off after several years. However, if you use the good quality, high quality glue, that this problem will not happen easily. We will take a look at the ready-made products. Let's take a smaller piece. So this one you can see it's now four size edge bending. Already you can take a look that on this side it's very thick. It's 1.2 millimeter for four sides. One, two, three, four sides. And as you can see, because we use the Germany machine, the cutting is good. So in this process, you won't see any biting or any breakage on the sides. So it's so smooth and very flat. And most importantly, if you have children or if your client the hands are very smooth, if you move it like this, you will cut yourself easily. However, our edge bending is not that sharp. It's not sharp. It's very smooth and nicely cut. So when I put my fingers on it, it's no problem. It's very smooth. And for the size, you can see you can't see the gap as we cut perfectly. We cut very nicely, so you won't even see the gap. So this is the size for our panel. You can take a look, very nicely edge banded.